Hello there. Just wanted to show you real quick some of the tools that are in PowerTeacher as far as making a seating chart. Um, to do that, first thing we got to do is go to PowerTeacher, log in, and once you get there, I believe it doesn't actually matter which one of these you click on. Um, uh, this is where you're going to be taking your attendance normally, either in one of these three sections. But I'm going to go and clear this. Okay. So you're going to see something similar to this when you start up. Maybe it'll already have some tables or rows or something there for you. But the reason we want to perhaps make the seating chart is to make it easier for our subs or to make it easier for us taking attendance, whatever reason. So you got a few options. These kind of give you the three options as far as how it's going to lay out the desks for you. So what I'm going to do is mine are in rows, so I'm going to do a 6x6 grid here. And obviously this is going to depend on how your classroom is set up. I know some of you have rows that are split apart, like you got some on this side, some on this side. Go ahead and just put them all out there and you can move them once you got them. So, for example, I don't use these right here. So once I have these, I can select them like that. I can go ahead and just take them out. So I have desks. Now all I need are kids. So I'm going to click populate over here. Basically, that's just going to put students and desks. Got lots of options here. I can do alphabetically. I can do it by male and female where it alternates there. I can do it random. Or alternately, if I want, I can just do it myself. I can just drag them where I want them. I can drag them on and off. This is especially helpful when you get new kids and you don't want to change everything up. So, I'm just going to do alphabetically. Okay. So, now I've got all my kids on there. Okay. So, once I've got all my kids on there, I can move them around if I want. I can move the empty desks where I want. Do whatever you want to do. Or like I said, some of you, maybe you have like a big chasm in between the two sets of desks. You can do that yourself. Okay, so, but maybe you don't have rows like this. Maybe you have tables. All these. Obviously, if you want to ever remove anything, there's this button right here that'll do that for you. Okay, I'm going to zoom out a little bit so we can see better. So let's say you have tables. Okay, let's say I have 6 tables and I've got 4 kids in each table. Okay, maybe 8 tables with 4 chairs per table. Or I can do 6. If you do 6, you can change how they're oriented. Okay, you can change how many tables, kind of how the tables are set up by changing this. Okay, I'm going to leave it like this for now. So once you've got that, change to 4 chairs. And really all it's done is it's put empty spaces for you. So once again, you can either drag the kids on there or you can have it automatically populate. Now, another thing you can do is you can show where you sit. So you can drag a desk. Where'd it go? There it is. Okay, so it's added this object right here. Move these back a little bit. So here's my desk. Here's the board, and here's the door to the classroom. Just to show me where everything is relative to everything else. You can also add something else. Bookshelf. You know, here's my bookshelf over here. Or whatever. Now, once you've got this, you should be able to take attendance through your seating chart. You can make different layouts and go back and forth. Maybe there's one that you use during project days, and you can switch back and forth. Once you have your seating chart, the other thing you can do is if you will Control-click or right-click, you can print it. You don't want to save like that. If you want to print it, you can change the orientation either way, or if you go down here, you can save it so that every day you'll have a physical copy of the attendance where you can just check off who's absent and who's tardy. All right. Well, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know.